Ayan, papasok na kami dito sa Queen's Park Botanical Garden. Ayan. And there's a Ferris wheel. And then, ayan, daming tao ngayon dito sa Toowoomba Botanical Garden. Ayan, may mga aso. Ang laki ng puno, Yan, susuot muna siya ng sapatos. Big dog. Small dog. Ayan. Haba ng pila ng Ferris wheel. Ayan. Island, Australia, Ferris wheel. Ayan, malapit na kami sa flower, Wow.
Plus money, darling. Charge the playground music.
This one's nice. Ayan yung map nila. Ayan, map. Different flowers. Wow. Look. Doon kami pupunta para Ayan. Ayan. Ganda ng mga flowers. Siguro nakapasok-pasok din to, nak, no? Tapos pinapatong. Hindi, nakapasok-pasok na siya. Pinapatungan lang ng
Lupa.
Dude,
there's gonna be a lot of bees.
Yeah, because it's flower, ate. What? What's that, bee? Don't touch, No touch.
What? Let's see how it is.
Ganda.
Mom.
Different kind of flower. What? What's that? What's that, baby? What's that? Insect?
Yeah, there was a caterpillar.
Wow.
Let's check this one on.
Plot by plot pala siya.
Here's this.
Yeah.
Come on, easier.
Ayan, the ibang flower siya. Small flower, but it's look good, beautiful. Start tayo dito. Ayan. Ganda ng ano niya, amoy.
Yeah, but I can't hold this total.
There's all Pitonia.
My friend's earrings. My favorite is watch.
Nice view. All flowers here. Dami, pero ano, iba-ibang ano ng flower, oh. Grabe, oh. It's very colorful.
Right. That's Kyle.
Wow. Kala ko sino yung sumisingit eh. Picturean mo ako. Yun oh, daming ganda. Dito tayo pa. Grabe no, pero siguro mga nakapaso yan pa, no? Tapos pinapatungan lang nila ng ano, no?
Oo. Yung mga bagong ano na yan, nakapasok yan na.
Kaya nga eh.
Pero
Di ba?
ito mga dati na to.
Mm.
Ito yung na-establish na to. Dati.
Grabe no, ganda oh.
That's right.
Hello.
I see you crying after school. You wrong. I know you never do wrong.
la última, ¿sí?
1, 2, 3.
No, no, hay un problema de calibración.
Tienes que,
No, tiene que esperar un poquito más.
tienes que saltar
No,
más.
I can take myself dancing, yeah, I can love me better than, yes, better, baby, yeah. Thank you so much, everybody. Hope you have a lovely afternoon.
I just said strip it and put it. No, she said when you finish strip it and put the sheets in a basket. Oh.
Yeah, I'm here. Oh, take a photo. Oh.
Kaya nga mo, nakabasket lang mo.
Ha?
Yes, you can. Mom, where's that? Monkey.
You're a monkey. You're climbing the tree. Oh, where's Jamie?
Ate, where
Hiding.
are
You can write your name here.
Huh? Really?
Good name.
you? Here. You can pick up of your...
Under the branches of the tree.
Dude, is
Jamie, Jamie, Jamie. Oh.
Dad, move up.
Yung bata, oh.
Baka hindi yun pwede, ma.
Oh.
Sige, look mo Lula. Oh.
Hold on.
Oh, one, ate. 1, 2. Oh. Oh, yan. Okay na.
Ha?
Mm.
Prince Garden, matindi rin eh.
1, 2. Where's your face? Yan. 1, 2, 3. Ayan. Okay.
I love it.
If I lose my hat.
I believe I can fly.
Oh my god. Look at the pink and white one. Look at the pink.
Wow.
Why is it so high?
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Look.
Spread my wings and
We like higher of a tree.
It's swing?
I believe.
We're swinging.
Just hold.
Auntie, hold the ball.
Just
I
hold.
believe. I can
Yeah.
Look at this.
It's a moment. Exactly.
Just hold it.
Oh my gosh.
Why are we swinging?
Swinging. I'm swinging.
Don't move ate. So that ano.
I said hold the ball.
No.
Jamie, hold down.
I see Mama. No, right. Oh, Xavier, we're close to the top. This is the top up there.
I want to be straight. In line. At the center.
I think we get two guys. I don't know.
The whole world.
That will work.
Liar. We're not taller than that tree. Well, we're gonna be. Haha.
Just look. Don't look
Oh my
down. Just look in down.
Wow.
Xavier's scared.
No.
No.
He's brave.
Oh,
Yes.
oh my
This is
gosh.
what I
Don't look
like.
down, ha? Just down.
No,
This is so
she look
fun.
down. She's a brave boy.
I see my mother.
She's
I
brave.
just
He's
hold
very
the
I
brave.
believe it.
Yeah.
Just hold the ball.
No,
Yeah, don't move out.
Just hold the ball.
Hold up the hold.
I don't
Oh.
want it.
Listen to Xavier.
Holy crap.
Hold the no.
Why did you go super fast? You
Yeah.
went on the ball. You even went on the wall.
Listen to Xavier.
Yes, listen natin. Hold in the grills.
I can hold the chair.
See, look at what Xavier did.
He's just scared. He's
No,
traumatized.
it's not ate.
Nah.
We're going down, down.
Xavier is so brave boy. She's brave. See,
See?
look at that.
Going down.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. We're so close to the other
Oh,
dude.
look at feel the breeze. Feel the breeze.
Whee!
Oh.
When did this end?
Two more times?
What? No, it's just like
Full.
5 times.
Yeah.
We don't know. I have to count.
No,
I have to
it's
count.
not. Just only 3. Oh, you count it. You count it.
1.
1. See?
Oh, we only won and please let us out.
Nope. No.
Oh, mommy calling you.
Mama! Oh,
Now we're going up.
we're going up.
Now this is the second one.
Are you
Second
scared
one,
now?
yes.
Are you still scared?
I'm brave.
Yes.
Yes.
I know.
Look at the flower bed.
Caesar is brave.
Whoa.
Oh, beautiful flower.
Why does it go so high?
Okay, going down again. And then when you're going down,
No,
just
we
hi to
stop.
mommy and daddy.
No, we stop here first.
No, it's not. Okay, it's not. See, we go down.
Look.
How many?
No,
How
no.
many?
I think
you counted?
3. That's nearly 2.
2.
Well, I'm actually kind of scared to look on this side.
Me. No, I'm scared from looking down.
Yeah.
Whoa, I have to look at that pond.
See, you don't believe you're in the high peak. Oh.
This is fun, right?
Yes.
We get 2 more turns.
Don't look down.
Yes.
Just-
Like 4 times.
Oh, how many times now?
Listen.
Oh, see here. Hi to mommy. Ayun, mommy.
Mommy!
Oh,
Where's Mama? Daddy! Dad!
see?
Mommy!
Whoa, they're playing tunes.